And welcome back, Math Masters of Virtual Room 502. Once again, we are copycats. So be a copycat. Okay, we're going to continue on with our lesson of decomposing fractions and multiplication, multiplying fractions. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go ahead and recall that this represents one whole, right? We're going to shade in 3. Hey, we just did that, Mr. Leggett. Yeah, I know, but it's going to be a little different this time. Okay, so one whole, right? If I were to shade that in, we would have 4/4, and 4/4 would equal one whole, okay? But we only have 3/4. 3 out of 4, not 4 out of 4. So this represents 3/4. What are we going to do next? Well, let's think about it. We're going to make an equivalent fraction, right? And we're going to use multiplication. What should we do? We're going to do 3/4 times something. Let's break this up into 3 rows. 1 row, 2 and 3 rows, okay? Look, same amount, same area, but just more pieces and smaller pieces in the fraction. So what do we have now? What is our fraction? Well, we can count by 3s. 3, 6, 9 are shaded in. And we have a total of 3, 6, 9, 12. So we have 9 12s, all right? What are we going to multiply? Well, I broke it into 3 rows, so I'm thinking 3 would be a pretty good answer. So we're going to put a 3 here, and a 3 there. 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 3 is 12. And there you have it, equivalent fraction. Let's keep on doing, and let's do another one. I'll keep on doing another one. And get these away. Let's go ahead and make our number 1. This is 1. It represents one whole. We're going to break it into 1, 2, 3, and 4 parts. And guess how many we're going to shade in again? Not 3 again. Yes, 3 again. 1, 2, and 3. So you know that 4/4, if I were to shade in this one, we would have one whole. But we only have 3/4. So I'm going to make a note of that with my brackets. 3/4. Okay? We need to come up with the equivalent fraction. We'll have more units, but smaller units. We're going to cut once, twice, 3 and 4 times. All right. So now what are we looking at? What's this fraction all about? Well, I'm going to do some multiplication too. 3/4 equals an equivalent fraction. All right. So let's see what our numerator is going to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And out of how many? 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 12 16ths. Okay. There's 3/4. What are we going to multiply? Well, we broke this in from 0 rows to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll multiply by 4, and I bet that will work out. 3 times 4. Remember, this is just 1, right? It's just that fancy form of 1, 4/4. So 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. And there we get it. We also see that 12 16ths is equivalent to 3/4, as is 9 12ths is equivalent to 3/4. All right, that said, take a little break. Go tell mom and dad you love them. Feed the dog, pet the cat. But come back in 2 or 3 minutes, okay? We'll see you in just a little bit. Just a quick 2-3 minute break, okay? Get ready to do our more math.